Hi, I'm Cecily Nelson from JourneyTEAM. I wanted to give you a quick overview of what the Catalyst app for Business Central looks like. Once you've signed up for the trial, it'll log you right into the My Company, where you'll see this banner right here, which is your checklist that you'll be able to walk through to help you set the company up in the best way for your company. We're going to click Revisit here. You normally just click Start, where it will walk you through a couple of steps that just basically are going to set up the system so it's ready to go. You'll go through a little bit of information here on what it's going to do, and then it will just ask you a few questions on like what license you want, what chart of accounts you want, how you want your balance to look, what date you're going to start posting transactions so that the accounting periods can be set up. And then in addition to that, if you're going to be using locations and inventory, how many locations and location at warehouses and advanced locations you need, and if you need it to update any currencies. Once you've answered all those questions, you'll click Finish, and it will go through and install a chart of accounts that's set up specifically for the US and the posting groups that go along with that, and the setup pages for general ledger, sales, purchasing, fixed assets, inventory, and I think I got them all. So it just basically sets your company up ready for the end user to start processing transactions. Of course, the first thing that they need to do is import their master data. We've provided a very easy way for them to import their data by clicking into here. You'll be able to see how to import the master data, watch videos on it, and we've included templates to go along with that. All of those different sections will take you to different pieces where you can get online and self-study, as well as some going live tips and tricks and videos. Once they've gone through the trial and determined to purchase, then they'll click on this trial offer, where you'll be able to see the different packages that they can purchase for us and the cost of those packages. Once they've selected the package that best fits what they're looking for, they'll click Subscribe Now, which will allow them to purchase those particular packages and the users that they want to subscribe for. So in basic setups, this is company, once you've done with that, is ready to go, and they can start processing transactions. Thank you.